Hi, let's see how you did on page 26. So I've typed the equation for you. Now, step one, if you look over here at your little steps, is distribute when necessary. So remember, to distribute, it's like we're taking this 4 times the x and 4 times -4, 2 times the x and 2 times 4. So whatever's on the outside, you're distributing. It's like you're passing it out to everything on the inside. So 4 times x is 4x. And then 4 times 4 is 16. So that takes care of the left. And then when you look at the right, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 4 is 8. And you have your minus 4x at the end. So step one, done. Next it says combine like terms. So look at the left. This one has a variable, this one does not. So you can't put those together. But you can with the 2x and the -4x. Those can combine. So you're going to rewrite the left side. If I have 2x minus 4x, that's a -2x plus 8. So now I've done step 2. So step 3, collect the variables on the same side. So again, I always try to make it a positive. And so I'm going to move this -2x. Since that's a -2x, to get it to cancel to equal 0, I'm going to have to add 2x to both sides. And I'm going to put it underneath the other thing that has the x with it. So 4x plus 2x is 6x. Bring everything else down. And then -2x plus 2x is 0x. That was the whole point of what we did. So you only have 8 left on that side. So now we've collected variables to the left. So now we're going to take the constants, the ones that are by themselves, and put them on the right. This is a -16, so you have to add 16 to both sides. Oops. Plus, there we go. Then you're left with 6x on that side. And then 8 plus 16 is 24. Okay, and now, sorry, I had an interruption, so hopefully I'm right back to where I was when I left off here. So -16 plus 16, those cancel. 8 plus 16, that was 24. Now we have 6 times x equals 24. The opposite of times is divide. So you're going to divide both sides by 6. Sometimes I have kiddos who get confused on what you're dividing by. It's whatever side that the variable is on. So it says 6 times x, it means you're dividing by 6. Don't want that stuff underlined. And so then you find that x equals 4. And you've got that one finished. On number 4, same thing here. Step 1, distribute when necessary. So we're going to actually want to do this up here where it's bigger. So we're going to distribute this 3 to the 2x, also 3 times 1, and then on this side we have 5 times x and 5 times -4. So here's what that looks like. Oops. When you distribute, 3 times 2 is 6, so you have 6x plus 3 times 1 is 3. On the other side, you have 5 times x is 5x minus 5 times 4 is 20. Next, it says combine like terms. Look at the left side of the equation. They do not have like terms. One has a variable, one doesn't. Right side, same thing. So we don't have to do step 2. Then it says collect the variables on the same side. Again, I like to keep my variables positive. Got to keep them happy. And so in order to do that, I'm going to move this positive 5. I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. So again, it's like taking the money bags that they have in common and getting rid of them because it just is making it look bigger than it has to be. So I'm going to, subtract 5x from both sides. And I get 1x plus 3. Oh, bless me. Equals -20. And then I have my variable on the left, so I'm going to put my constant, my number that's by itself here. I'm going to put it on the right. So it's a positive 3, so I need to subtract 3 from both sides. And then I get x equals negative 23. And then normally you would have to solve the equation, but we already got x by itself, so that means we are finished. One last word of advice. You do not want to multiply or divide on both sides of your equation until the very end. Everything is adding and subtracting while you're moving things, and then it's only at the end that you will multiply or divide. So hopefully that will help. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you need me to go through these again with you. I would love to help.